Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Red Hat Enterprise Linux 10 and get through that gray box of death. So I'm going to go ahead and install like normal. It's not going to boot properly. It's going to go to that gray screen that you're trying to fix. And so it's just stuck on this gray screen here. So we just got to go ahead and fix that. So we restarted our VM again. So now what we need to do is we're just going to go here and we're just going to make sure that we're on this line here, and we're going to hit the lowercase e. And so then we're going to navigate our cursor to the end of quiet. And then we're going to put no mode set. And then you're going to hit Control X. Our system is going to boot again. And now our system is up and we solved our gray box issue. So hopefully this video helped you and like it helped me. And thank you guys for watching. More videos to come.